Good morning. So today is the last day. Well, actually, it's over. This is the 2024 National Ally Rally here in Goshen, Indiana. Is done. It finished last night. So this morning, a lot of the rigs have been moved out, and people like our next door neighbors are getting ready to leave, and we'll be checking out as well. But we're staying in the area for a little while longer. We're heading over to the Elkhart campground, which isn't too far from the Alliance plant, because on Tuesday we're taking this baby in to get a couple last items looked at before we have to hit the road and head back towards Florida. So stay tuned for that, and we'll let you know. And then tonight we're going to go to Twin Mills. I think that's it. Twin Mills Campground, a little about 35 miles away from here, to see our friends' destination full time. That's Julie and Jason Roberts. So we're looking forward to seeing them. Although it's supposed to rain for a good part of today, so we're not looking forward to that. But nonetheless, we are happy to see those friends that we haven't seen since we met them at Camp Margaritaville in April during the Southern Ally Rally. So stay tuned. Our neighbors just did a pool test and they're all packed up and ready to go. Just making sure that everything's secure, and then they're heading up to the Niagara Falls area from here. So they're pulling out in a few minutes, and we're going to start packing up here in just a little bit as well.